1x Tommee Tippee Advanced Anti-Colic Feeding Set in white. 1x Super Steam Advanced Electric Steam Steriliser, which delivers up to 6 sterile baby bottles in just 5 minutes. 4x 150 milliliters Advanced Anti-Colic Bottles, slow flow teats 4x 260 milliliters Advanced Anti-Colic Bottles. Slow flow teats 1x Electric Bottle. The Tommee Tippee Advanced Anti-Colic Complete Feeding Set contains everything you need to make bottle feeding straightforward. The Anti-Colic Tommee Tippee baby bottles offer less reflux and less fuss in one handy newborn feeding gift set. Tommee Tippee Electric Steriliser. The Tommee Tippee Advanced Anti-Colic Complete Feeding Set comes with an electric steriliser. To streamline bottle feeding, this Tommee Tippee Electric Steriliser is fast and easy to use, delivering up to 6 sterile baby bottles in just 5 minutes. Electric Bottle and Food Warmer. This Tommee Tippee Advanced Anti-Colic Feeding Set also comes with an electric warmer, suitable for breast milk, formula, and baby food. The Tommee Tippee Bottle and Food Warmer gives you a safe and simple way to warm feeds from chilled or frozen. Advanced Anti-Colic Bottles. These Tommee Tippee baby bottles are designed to prevent colic by reducing air bubbles in milk. That means 80% fewer colic symptoms such as wind, reflux, and fussing. The venting tube has a built-in heat sensing strip to check the temperature of baby's milk. The Anti-Colic Insulated Bottle Bags. The Tommee Tippee Advanced Anti-Colic Complete Feeding Set comes with 2 insulated bottle bags. These compact bags are small enough to fit into a changing bag, so you always have a sterilized baby bottle ready to go. The Advanced Anti-Colic Bottle is proven to reduce colic symptoms for less wind, less reflux, and less fussing. The Advanced Anti-Colic Bottle uses a unique venting system to draw air bubbles away from milk during feeding. Asterisk, we consulted 210 parents who tried using Advanced Anti-Colic Bottles to read. Unique venting system designed to prevent colic. Babies may develop colic symptoms if they take in too much air during feeding. With its unique anti-colic venting system, our Advanced Anti-Colic Bottle helps stop air mixing with milk. Air is drawn through the vents in the venting wheel, down the vent. Fast, fuss-free sterilising. Sterilize up to 6 bottles in just 5 minutes. With the Tommee Tippee Advanced Electric Steam Steriliser, ready to prepare a fresh feed for your baby any time of day or night. Using the all-natural cleaning power of steam, you can be reassured that it sterilizes every surface.